laden truck failed through a Bailey bridge, which collapsed when the vehicle tried to pass on it around 7:30 this morning. There were no casualties. The bridge over Itham River at ITI Paknung connects Sawombung Kabui Kunzau village. The driver and handyman of the truck escaped any injuries in the incident. A painting competition was held to mark the World Population Day at the Maibam Singning Makhalekai Community Hall, Bistupur district yesterday, jointly organized by Nungthel Laima Mairapaibi Loop and Red Hill Club Maibam Singning. Sangai Educational and Development Social Organization Kaibul Lamjau has demanded the authority to take steps towards making river lift irrigation system at Kaibul Lamjau Takmu Path in Bishnupur district serviceable in order to help solve the problem faced by the dejected farmers. The banned RPF PLA has clarified that one Mayang Lambam Promila, aged 52 years, who was arrested by a combined team of Imphal East District Police Commando and 5 Jammu and Kashmir Rifles on July 11th, has no any connection with the group. The outfit informed these through an emailed press clarification statement today. More than 4.23 lakh people have been displaced by floods that affected 17 of Assam's 33 districts. State Disaster Management Authority said the rising waters of River Brahmaputra and at least 6 of its tributaries met 4,23,386 people abandon their homes and move to shelter on higher grounds. The incessant rain from last 4 days had adversely affected normal life in the Siang district of Arunachal Pradesh. Roads are being blocked by falling of trees, landslide in the mountainside, flood in all the rivers, while water supply and electricity have also been snapped. All Assam Adivasi Students Union Hojai unit staged a demonstration in connection with their long-standing demand of scheduled tribe status for the people of their community. The protest was organized at district headquarters Sankar Nagar in front of Deputy Commissioner's office in Hosai. Pro-inner line permit groups under the banner of Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organizations yesterday wanted to know the status of proposed amendment of the Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act 2016 following their demand to incorporate provisions of the Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation 1873 into the Act. The Nagaland government put on hold its June 29 decision to prepare Register of Indigenous Inhabitants of Nagaland. Home Commissioner R. Ramakrishnan, in a release yesterday, said the state government is of the clear opinion that the present exercises are new initiatives and need consultations and deliberations with participation from all sections and stakeholders. India lifted 271 million people out of poverty between 2006 and 2016, recording the fastest reductions in the multi-dimensional poverty index values during the period, with strong improvements in areas such as assets, cooking fuel, sanitation and nutrition, according to a report by the United Nations. The 2019 Global Multidimensional Poverty Index from the UN Development Programme, the Oxford Poverty and Human Development Initiative, was released on Thursday. Intense turbulence struck on Air Canada flight to Australia and sent unbuckled passengers flying into the ceiling, forcing the plane to land in Hawaii. The flight from Vancouver to Sydney encountered unforecasted and sudden turbulence about 2 hours past Hawaii when the plane diverted to Honolulu. Initiating steps to contain any further spread of Japanese encephalitis in the district, Medical Officer of East Siang District in Pasighat of Arunachal Pradesh, Dr. Kaling Dai, has issued an advisory to all the public for awareness purposes after report of 2 positive cases of Japanese encephalitis in the district. visiting US trade officials will meet with Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal today. After 2 days of talks with a composite delegation from the Commerce Ministry and Ministry of External Affairs, the first formal effort to resolve the recent Indo-US trade impasses.